Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Mana-mana, tiba-tiba, tila ba nagiging pamana po ang posisyon sa gobyerno na ipapasa mula sa isang henerasyon ng pamilya patungo sa susunod. For decades, the concentration of political power in the hands of few families has raised question about fairness, inclusiveness, and integrity of our democratic system. The framers of our 1987 Constitution foresaw this danger. That is why Article 2, Section 26 of the Constitution expressly provides the state shall guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service and prohibit political dynasties as may be defined by law. At the heart of the problem, however, lies a constitutional gap. The provision itself is not self-executing. Ang ibig pong sabihin nito, the prohibition is clear but the mandate is incomplete because Congress has yet to define through law what constitutes a political dynasty. Ano ba talagang ibig pong sabihin ng political dynasty? Paano ba natin ito bibigyang kahulugan at mapatupad sa paraang makabubuti po sa ating bayan? We must wrestle with difficult questions. Up to what degree of consanguinity or affinity should be considered a dynasty? Does it cover only elective posts or should it also include appointed positions? Kung ang isang miyembro po ba ng pamilya nasa executive at isa naman ay nasa legislative or judiciary, political dynasty na ba itong maituturing? Should the law apply only to simultaneous holding of power, sabay-sabay, or also to succession, sunod-sunod? Tatay, asawa sa legislative, anak, apo sa isang probinsya, sa isang bayan? Should we draw distinctions between the national, local levels? And most critically, ano po ang implikasyon sa karapatang bumoto at karapatang tumakbo ng bawat mamayan? Mahigit 3 dekada na po ang lumipas, wala pa ring malinaw na definisyon kung ano po ba talaga ang dynasty na ipinagbabawal. This vagueness has allowed the problem to persist. And let me be candid to everyone here. I myself come from a family of emerging politicians. That is precisely why I say this issue is not about attacking families, but also